Most chiropractic EHRs are outdated and slow. The result? Inconvenient workflows and stalled growth. Clinics patch together multiple tools, one for notes, one for billing, another for scheduling or marketing, just to get by. Chiropractic moves fast. High volume, hybrid billing, and care that evolves from active to maintenance. Prompt was built to keep that flow effortless, cloud-based and mobile, accessible anywhere. Fill openings automatically and let patients book online. Dynamic intake that adapts to every patient and feeds your exam. Document as you talk, no typing, built for clear, compliant notes. Notes built for chiropractors, fast and precise. Handle insurance, cash pay, and packages all in one place. Stay connected with your team without leaving Prompt. Track referrals, automate marketing, and drive reviews. Clinics run smoother, chart faster, and scale with Prompt. Prompt for chiropractors, more than an EHR. Your AI-powered, cloud-based practice engine.